So wet on this part of the beach. So you get a lot of sensory experience through your feet. It's nice to walk barefoot, but sometimes sensory experiences can be a little bit funny, like walking through muddy beach. Definitely worth it though. Great sunny summer day, and it's warm enough that I can just walk right through water that is usually painfully cold. Today it's really nice. Oh, pollen, that's alright. So I felt the need to add a little bit. I've gone quite a bit deeper now, kind of like almost halfway to my shins, and the tide coming in is pretty cold. Pretty cold. It was warm before and it was really shallow, but at this point it's kind of starting to feel a little bit cooler. Cool stuff though. I found a Smirnoff bottle and an old stubby, so 2 complete bottles in one outing. There's a crab over here now too. Oh yeah, there he is. Running away from me. Well, in any case, it's good to see that there's life around here and that there's some things to find. Hey, for a fun day.